I recently had a couple people ask me how to get an NH35 movement out of the case when it's compression fit and doesn't want to pop out. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. Well, let's go. Step 1, remove the case back. Step 2, remove the crown stem. Start by unscrewing the crown stem until it's released from the threads. Making sure it's still in the first position, you're going to look for the stem release button, which is a small little detent located right here. If your stem is in the second position, that detent is no longer accessible. If it's in the date adjust position, it's no longer accessible. It must be pushed all the way in to the winding position for it to be accessible. At this point, you can take any pointy object and you're just going to push down on that detent as you pull out the crown stem. You don't need to push hard, just a light gentle touch as you're pulling out, and the crown stem should release very easily. If it's not coming out easily, stop and reassess. Now that the stem is released, we're able to start working on getting the movement out. The reason the movement is difficult to just turn over and dump out onto your case cushion is because it's compression fit inside by this gray plastic spacer ring around the outside edge of the movement. So what we need to do is locate a spot on the movement on opposite sides where we can gently pry up the case from either end. I like to find where the movement holes are for retaining screws that aren't in use. These little spots here. Normally there's a little clip on some cases where a retaining clip is inserted and screwed down and then used to hold the movement into the case. And this is a solid block of metal right here. So if you have something like this, this is a watch hand removal lever. This works perfectly. You can just put it into that little position there and give it a little pry up, rotate the rotor around, find another one of those spots and do the same thing. And as you can see, we're evenly lifting up the movement on both sides. And once the movement feels loose, you'll notice that it's ready to come out. We can now turn our case cushion over and the movement should release no problem from the case. And that's it, guys. Nothing to it. That's how you remove an NH35 from the case. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.